What is fire alarm system?
According to Wikipedia, a fire alarm system is a building system designed to detect and alert occupants and emergency forces of the presence of smoke, fire, carbon monoxide, or other fire-related emergencies.
How many types of fire alarm system? What are the three types of fire alarm system?
According to 4-bell alarm, typically divided into four main categories: ionization, photoelectric, heat, and combined ionization, photoelectric. Each one detects fires differently.
What is the main purpose of fire alarm system?
According to White Palm's Fire Equipment, a fire alarm system protects you and your property from the dangers of fire through four measures: detecting fire, alerting occupants, managing risks, and notifying the fire department.
What is the simple fire alarm system?
According to Circuits DIY, a simple fire alarm circuit is an easy-to-build and cost-effective solution to detect the presence of smoke or heat. When a fire is detected, the circuit triggers an alarm, alerting everyone to evacuate or take action immediately.
What are the four basic parts of fire alarm?
According to Vanguard Fire and Security Systems, the four ways your fire alarm system works to protect your property and its occupants from the dangers of fire are by detecting fire, alerting occupants, managing risk, and notifying the fire department.
What are the basic type of fire alarm detector?
According to Fire Risk Consultancy Services, the four most common detectors are ionization, photoelectric, combination ionization, photoelectric, and heat.
What are the 7 fire alarm components?
Here is some information for what is included in a fire alarm system. According to High-Rise Security Systems, notification devices notify all occupants of a building when a fire or emergency situation exists. They include strobe lights, horns, sirens, bells, or combination strobe and horns. They may also
How is fire extinguisher used?
According to Fire and Rescue NSW government, aim the nozzle or outlet towards the base of the fire. Squeeze the handles together to discharge the extinguishing agent inside. To stop discharge, release the handles.
How do you handle a fire alarm system?
According to the University of Toledo, if the fire alarm starts sounding, if the hallway is clear of smoke, walk to the nearest fire exit and exit the building. Do not use elevators. Close doors behind you. Notify arriving fire or police personnel if you suspect someone is trapped inside the building, and where they may be located.
Why make fire alarm system?
According to First Alarm, home alarm systems protect property and valuables. Vandals are less likely to do damage to your property if there is a chance of being caught. An alarm system can alert police if something bad is going down, which keeps both your property and your valuables safer.
What is the most common type of fire alarm system?
According to General International Group, conventional fire alarms are the most common system installed in residences, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. These systems use a single smoke detector to alert the building occupants to a fire by sounding an audible signal.
How to check a fire alarm?
According to Allstate Insurance Company, press and hold the test button on the smoke detector. It can take a few seconds to begin, but a loud, ear-piercing siren should emanate from the smoke detector while the button is pressed. If the sound is weak or non-existent, replace your batteries.
How to types of fire alarm?
According to 4-bell alarm, typically divided into four main categories: ionization, photoelectric, heat, and combined ionization, photoelectric. Each one detects fires differently.
Where use conventional panel.
According to Control Fire Systems Limited, a fire alarm conventional panel can be used anywhere, but they're ideal for small businesses, single-story buildings, buildings with a simple layout, or smaller structures in general where just a couple of zones can cover the entire building.
Where use fire alarm addressable panel.
According to Safe and Sound Security, addressable fire alarms are fire protection systems where each device within the system has its own address or location, hence the name.
How to use fire alarm wireless system.
According to Surrey Fire and Safety Limited, from the point of view of anyone using a building fitted with a wireless system, it works in exactly the same way as a normal, hardwired system. You spot a fire, you break a call point breaks, the alarm sounds. There's no special training required and you're protected in exactly the same way.
Where use fire alarm hybrid system.
According to General International Group, hybrid fire alarms. These systems are generally used in commercial buildings, where there is a potential for both smoke and heat to cause damage to the facility.
Make NFPA
Why NFP is important. According to OANDA, U.S. non-farm payroll releases provide key information about the health of the U.S. economy by reporting on the state of employment in various sectors. Forex traders should monitor and prepare for NFP releases as these create volatility in the Forex market. We unpack NFP and its importance here. Systems Limited. The panels then send out visual and audible alarms indicating a danger of fire. FACPs help occupants evacuate safely and allow emergency services to respond quickly to situations.